Good afternoon, San Juan and Rise of La Union. Dito tayo, Pawisan, dito sa Urubisundo surf area, dito po sa may Kapsat for this one-of-a-kind event, mga kaibigan, ng apple flavored soda. We are very happy na tayo po inaibitahan to cover this event. At syempre makakapanayam natin ng isa sa representatives ng Popple. Halina po kayo at punta na po kayo dito. Hello ma'am, good afternoon. How are you today?
I am wonderful. It's Patty, your side quest queen. I live in La Union and it's a beautiful day kasi may summer party tayo sa Kapsat together with Popo. So I'm excited.
Ilocana ka rin ma'am?
When?
Oo, taga saan ka dito?
Sa San Juan.
Local pala ng San Juan.
Toyak.
Ilocana ka ba gaya?
Honestly, when I first tried Popple, I was surprised because I'm a big fan of apple drinks in general. But to add that little fizz, it's just a cherry on top, you know? So I love it so much. It's a good refresher, lalo na at mainit ngayon na summertime. So I love it. Ayun na nga, so may party tayo tonight and I believe that Popple is such a good refresher drink. It's also just to liven up your spirits for day to night, diba? So it's also very hydrating, which I love. I've been drinking it the whole day actually, and it's helping me keep cool, which I love. So definitely it fits into the whole party vibe.
Tonight's party, can you invite our viewer? Then why should they not miss this summer party of Popple?
I'd like to invite everyone to go here to Kapsat. It is our summer party with Popple. Go grab your Popple now because it's gonna liven up your day and night.
Anong familiar Ilocano word?
Nagpintas. Ako yun eh. Ako yung nagpintas.
Hey, good afternoon everyone! We have twins from Mandaluyong. Okay, at syempre kasama natin sila to party tonight dito po sa Kapsat. Kasama natin si Marco and Apollo. Ang una tanong ko, sinong unang lumabas sa inyo?
Ako.
Ayan. Okay, so Sir Marco, tell us about this event tonight.
And guys, merong event ngayon si Popple and we highly encourage you na pumunta kayo dito because we have so many fun, exciting games and activities na pwede nyo gawin dito, and also meron din tayong mga fun prizes to win.
Apollo, tell us about Popple. Bakit kailangan natin uminom ng Popple today, tonight, and sa mga susunod pang araw?
Guys, I highly recommend that you try Popple because it is the perfect drink to drink ngayong summer because it is refreshing and bago sa panlasa natin. So definitely magugustuhan nyo to. And speaking of magugustuhan nyo, we have so many fun events this evening. Maraming mga activities, mga booths, and na pwede nyo i-try, and I'm sure magugustuhan nyo to ng mga kaibigan nyo and ng family nyo. So if you're here in La Union, go here in Kapsat and join us here at the Popple event.
Afternoon, ma'am. What was your first honest impression about Popple?
Well, on my first time trying it, it's so refreshing. Plus, it matches my bubbly personality with the happy color, the yellow, and all. So, when I tried it, it's perfect for this summer, this hot summer afternoon here in Kapsat.
Tell us about the event tonight.
So, we prepared a lot of partying tonight, of course, together with Popple drink. You can mix it with, you can do a cocktails or mocktails with it as you party later on by the beach with our guest DJ. So we're very excited to be part of it.
Please invite our viewers.
Of course, for those of you who are just around the corner or just nearby La Union, you still have time to come by, visit us here in Kapsat and join the Popple Summer Blast here in Kapsat. See you!
Sa mga kaibigan, one of the event dito sa Kapsat ay itong live illustration. So kasama natin si Sir Pete. Okay, ngayon ipapakita niya yung kanyang finished product. Okay.
So parang ganito siya. It's a sketch of the...
Actually, ilang minuto ko ginagawa, sir?
Pag ganito, mabilisan 5 to 10 minutes. Guys, come here sa Kapsat. Maraming activities and we have DJs and party sa baba. Yeah, see you!
Mula ako dito sa Kapsat, Urubisundo, San Juan, La Union. Ito po si Normandy Lucas Masuga Boy Lollipop, Arasas of the North. Arasas of the North.
Hosted by DJ Boy Lollipop, breaking the silence.
Okay. Salamat naman, Trisha. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Salamat, thank you. Thank you. Ma'am, thank you. Thank you. Salamat, salamat. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Salamat. Salamat, salamat. Okay na, si Posing na. Ayan na. Thank you. Salamat po. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
again. Hatid ang balita, klaro walang hida.
Latest updates sa bawat barangay. Ano man ang issue, we verify.
Arasaas of the North, always on time. Hatid namin sa'yo ang headlines prime. Real news, real voices, tunay na signal. Arasaas of the North.